Okay, welcome everyone to Bangkok Elephant Park. Here we been doing it 1 year, just 1 year. Please. Human come down big tree, and then they tie a chain around the elephant neck, and then attach it to the wood, and then they let elephant pull the wood downhill before elephant logging in it. Yeah.
Elephant
What about
logging.
elephant riding? Push hair on the back and riding. Okay? And the
Riding.
elephant show. For the elephant show, we have one elephant. He like to spin the head, left and right, left and right. Dance. You know why?
Bonbon.
Yes. Bonbon means open the mouth.
Ah.
Okay? Bonbon is mean open the mouth. When you say bonbon, elephant open the mouth. Please don't throw the food. Okay? Don't shoot like a basketball. Huh? You just put your foot on their tongue. Slow, but not too deep. Okay? And promise they don't bite your hand or your finger. But if they bite,
Bye-bye.
Hospital not far from here. I check it. Okay, everyone. If your food drop on the ground, don't try to pick it up. Because
Okay.
the elephant they're gonna think you're stealing their food. Okay? You
alright.
just kick it. Okay? Kick it to him. And don't play with them food. Not now, not yet, not now, not yet, not now, not yet, not now, not now, not yet. Don't play with them food, okay? It's really easy to get angry.
Oh.
When the elephant they get angry, they're gonna use their tongue this one and smack you. Fire away. Right back to your home, okay? How to know elephant happy or angry? How to know? Look at the
How?
ear. Ear
Clapping.
Ayun, happy siya.
And tail swinging.
Happy siya.
Happy yun.
It means happy. Okay? If you see the ear, stand out like this. And the tail rip up. Run. Okay?
Hungry?
Save your life. It's okay. It's never happened before. Maybe today is the first. It's okay. Okay, what we're gonna do today? The first activity, we're gonna make this one. Thai inhaler. When you're feeling dizzy, when you jet lag, when you're running nose or headache, you can open and smell. It's gonna make you feel refreshing. Okay? You have to make it by yourself and take back to your home. It's like a souvenir. So we make it finish. We going to Caramel. Yes. And this one. Digimon. Two, three, record. Everything. Put it all. Maybe. Okay, one more. Okay, we're gonna put banana inside. If we don't put the banana, elephant Take a banana there.
Vitamin. Laki ng mata niya.
Bonbon. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. Put him out. Don't throw. Don't throw. Yep. Slow. Okay, look at it. Look at it. Show
Bonbon.
your food. Let's chant up. Say bonbon.
Bonbon!
Hello. Yeah.
Bonbon! Bonbon! Bonbon!
Okay.
Bonbon!
Bon. Bon. Go to him. No.
Okay lang pakainin muna bago ano.
Oo, bago ka niya yakapin.
Wala ako na lang.
Look at me. Okay.
There, take video. No?
Get up. Oh, sorry. Get closer. Sorry. Go closer. Come. Go closer. Yeah, good. Okay, good.
Ay, lakad-lakad. Sama ang mga elephant.
Walking, touching your face, and then walk together.
This name's Money. Money. Sing a song. Money.
Exercise. Oh, nandun sila. Eh, magpapaligo na ang elephant. Ayan. Tun!
No touch นะ
No touch?
ตาอย่าทำให้ใครเห็นอย่าให้เป็น touch ตาอย่าทำให้ใครดูตัวอย่าง
Oh, he going up!
ไปถอยเลย
Tun!
นี่เถอะโอ้ย
Posing. There's a model, you see? Like a model.
ไอ้วันเล่นกูน้ำใหม่แต่เป็นลูกเดียวเนี่ยเอาละ
Oh,
ดีกำลังอันนี้เลย เขาไม่ยอมกินอื่นเนาะ
เอ้า
เขาจะต้องลงน้ำเสร็จแล้วมันเย็นขาแล้วมัน
เอาดิเอาตรงนี้เย็น Video record. Get closer. Whoa, water. Philippines. Yeah. Go. Solo first. Go. Left. Go.